All children, I will be teaching Mauryas and Kusanas. Class 8th standard, subject is Social Science, Part 1, Chapter 7. Chapter 7. I will be teaching Mauryas and Kusanas. In this video, we are going to learn about introduction to Mauryas and references sources. Reference sources. Okay. Let us learn about introduction to Mauryas. Introduction to Mauryas. India's first empire was Mauryan Empire. They ruled from Magadha. Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, and Asoka are the important kings of the dynasty. Important kings of the dynasty. Okay? This dynasty was established by Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, students? See, they ruled from Magadha. Okay, they ruled from Magadha. Where is Magadha, students? It is in Bihar. It is in Bihar. Okay, students? See, Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of Maurya dynasty. Maurya dynasty. Okay? The capital of Maurya's empire is Pataliputra. Later Patna. What was the capital of Maurya's? What was the capital of Maurya's empire? The capital of Maurya's empire was Pataliputra, later Patna. Okay, friends? These are the introduction to Mauryas. Introduction to Mauryas. See, where is Magadha? It is in Bihar. It is in Bihar state. All of you see the students? See Magadha, Magadha, Magadha. They ruled from Magadha. Okay? See, next is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of Maurya dynasty. Okay, students? Next, move on. Reference sources. Though the sources materials are less, the available sources provide valuable information on Mauryas. The following are the sources. Let us learn about sources. Okay? Let us learn about sources. See? Let us learn about sources. Megasthenes Indica. Megasthenes was in India as the ambassador of Greeks in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Megasthenes has recorded his experiences in his book Indica. Very good, students. Who was Megasthenes? Megasthenes was an ancient Greek historian. Megasthenes was an ancient Greek historian. He described India in his book Indica. Indica reveals the city administration, social and religious life of Maurya period. Okay? Of Maurya period. Okay, students? Megasthenes has recorded his experiences in his book Indica. Okay? See, these are the sources. Megasthenes Indica. See? Next. See, Megasthenes. What is he? He is a Megasthenes. He is Megasthenes. Okay? He is an ambassador. Next, Kautilya's Arthashastra. Kautilya's Arthashastra. Arthashastra is written by the teacher and the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Kautilya is also known as Chanukya or Vishnugupta. Arthashastra is written in Sanskrit. Okay, students. Arthashastra is written by the teacher and the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Okay. See, who has written Arthashastra? Kautilya has written Arthashastra. Okay. Chanukya was an ancient Indian teacher. He was a teacher, he was a philosopher and an economist, and he was the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. He was the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Okay. He has written Arthashastra. He has written Arthashastra. Okay, students. See, next move on. See, Kautilya is Kautilya written Arthashastra. See students, Kautilya Arthashastra. Okay. Next move on. Summary of the lesson. India's first empire was Mauryan Empire. They ruled from Magadha. This dynasty was established by Chandragupta Maurya. The following are the sources: Megasthenes Indica, Kautilya's Arthashastra. Arthashastra is written by Kautilya. These are the summary of the lesson. Okay, students. Next, move on. Homework questions. Number 1. List the sources which reflect upon the history of Mauryas. List the sources which reflect upon the history of Mauryas. Second one. Chanukya came to be known as Dash. Chanukya came to be known as Dash. Who was the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya? Who was the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya? Fourth one. Arthashastra is written in Dash. Arthashastra is written in Dash. Who are the important kings of this Mauryan dynasty? Who are the important kings of this Mauryan dynasty? Okay, students, these are the homework questions. All of you do in your home regularly. Don't forget and note down in your social science class book. Okay, students. Now I stop for this lesson. Tomorrow I will continue next part of the lesson. Sai Ram, students.